Oh, like counter. Shit. It's coming. What up, Charles? We on? We working? There we go. Okay. Got a couple. We got some tier 2s. We're almost at a tier 3. What do we need? Fucking hell, they're really trying to get me to 100k likes all the time, eh? Fucking hell. Post one short video. How are we? How you going? How's your weekend? One short video for 80. Let's see if 80 is going to get us across the line. It is. What up, Levi? How you going? How's our weekends? I'm good. How are you? That's good. That's good. Could be doing better. Why's that? What's going on? And do this, and then post. Post.
I made 500 USD.
Ah. And then we gotta wait for it to be approved, and then we get the post the one short video, and then we get a tier 3 flare, and then we hit the fucking tier 3 flare. Am I right? We gotta do that, but it is where the fuck is it? Go. Come on. And you get that sorted. Come on. Come on. I feel like it's like getting approved or some shit. Wait, did that work? I'm just gonna leave that there for a little bit. I had a race. Do you race? What do you race? Let's have a look. Oh fuck, you have actually a lot of edits. The fuck? What do you race? Go-kart's mad. Thank you, Maz, for sharing the live. What do you think of Astro Cosmo Flow? I have no idea what that is. If I can have a look. Okay, there we go. Quick, delete this fucking video. Delete. Delete. There we go. Now we should have a tier 3. Do we have the tier 3? Claim. Fucking oath. Good. My dad races. Fuck, that's pretty cool. Go on Google search. Okay, 1 second. Charles, thank you very much for sharing. I appreciate that. Am I liquidity? I don't know. How good are you? We're all liquidity. Everyone takes losses and wins, and at some point, you will go into that category. True. Well, that's pretty fucking cool. Levi, I like that. That's mad. Good shit. How are we all though? We good? Ready for a big week? Gonna start working. I hope. Fuck, I didn't change that, Wait, can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, Kobe, I will. Check Bitcoin, yeah. Just flopping around. Well. Oh, the music's really loud. That's what it is. Is that better? That's probably a bit better. You guys can definitely hear me, bot. That's right. We are all liquidity for devs. I mean, developers for what? You talking meme coins or some shit? Sorry, guys. Yeah, thanks. I hope to join it one day. Yeah, I mean, keep it up. Go-karts are a good start. XRP is dream and hope. Fuck knows what's going on there. Can you check Bitcoin? Yep. Yeah, way better. Going on. Oh, not much, eh? Turbo Tuesday. It is. How are you? How's your weekend? Do you have my fucking vodka Red Bull? Is it worth learning this? Depends. It really depends. Yes. 12 roses from Kobe. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Hello, Sienna. Thank you for sharing the live, and then it disappeared. I don't know what happened to that. Forex, Daniel. Forex. Fuck's my VPS. Just check something real quick. How much do I make? Enough. Is this a full-time job? Yep. I have my first exam tomorrow. Exciting. It's exciting. You prepared? Fuck. Oh, we can go to there. I might pull out at last week's high if we can get up to there in the next couple of days. There will most likely be a little bit of Swiss strength, considering what happened over the weekend with fucking, I mean, not much actually. Surprised. Bit of money dump here. We got money coming out of the Swiss? Hello? Strange. You'd think with everything with Mr. Trump and Putin and all that shit, there would be a bit more strength. Is this really... It's really fucking bright. I think that's a bit better. It's a bit more normal. No, I'm not prepared. Thank you for another rose, Kobe. Appreciate that. I'm definitely not prepared and it's my math exam. Well, get the fuck off of here and start studying. Why don't you analyze? I do. What's there to analyze on Bitcoin? There's not, I mean... Like, for starters, I don't trade crypto. Secondly, crypto's like, man, it's like, who the fuck knows what's going to happen? It's so manipulated. Not being a nice person, staying in your life. I know, thank you. Bitcoin is crypto. Yep, well aware. I don't trade crypto or Bitcoin. Should just sit here without analyze. I don't even know what you're talking about. People come in here and we talk about macroeconomics, what's going on around the world. People ask to look at pairs and we analyze and see if anything around the world's going to affect. I want you to analyze crypto. Well, I mean, I don't trade crypto. I'm not the best at analyzing crypto if I'm not well versed in it, for starters. Secondly, it's so random. Like, we don't have enough previous price action and data to analyze what actually might happen. You know what I mean? There's just, how can you analyze something that doesn't have enough history of making sense or follows, like, you know, original strategies and everything? It's very random. Okay. I mean, if you don't like my streams, you don't have to, you know, be in here. Okay. It's all good. It's 80 jams. I think we'll get a lot of these ticked off. Possibly. I'll grab a flare soon. And then we'll start heading off. Getting some people in here, talking some shit. I'm in Euro USD and I don't particularly, you know, we're in a pretty big channel uptrend, but we do have this massive consolidation period that might continue. As we were consolidating here as well, we had a break, full A-shaped recovery, back to consolidation. We had a break out of the lows, coming testing this level down here. These highs, that turned into fucking support, pushed us back up. Consolidation for a couple of days. Tried to break last week's low. Off, back up. Probably going to sit around this consolidation period again. I can expect a bit of a drop back down, however, at some point. We'll see. We shall see. I really flubbed my last math test. Well, then get the fuck off the live. Hold up, I need some caffeine. I'll be back. Sending wedge, low volume, price downside, potentially. Can't tell me what to do. Righto. God, it's very slow today. Very, very, very slow. I don't know if it popped up in my fucking Discord that I was live. Is YouTube working? Yeah, we're chilling. Yep. Garbas. How's your trades been going? Pretty good. Done 0.25% today. We'll see what happens the rest of the week, but I think it's going to be a good week. Who are you the only one liking? Let's have a look. He's probably cut off. Looks like it. Oh no, there we go, globalized go. Trying to get a spot on the fucking leaderboard. No, the trade's been good. Very good. Do I flare now? Do I not flare? I might. Put some people in here. I'll have some energy. Tier 3. There are too many live creators using flares now. Maybe that's why it's fucking a bit dead. So many other people live. Which is okay. 6k likes already though. Thank you guys very much. Can I battle? I don't think I've like ever lost a battle, so I don't really want to. Unless we have like some of the big gifters in here, you know? I just don't want to lose. I don't like losing. And I don't even have a live thing, Uganda Kalam Foundation. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe not. There's not a lot going on today. What the fuck is this? There must be so many people that are live right now. There must be. Kind of depressing, not gonna lie. I had high hopes for this stream. I got like, you're like the only fucking regular in here. Yeah, there's no one else. It's regular in here. Not good. Who do you support in the AFL? I don't really watch the AFL, but Brisbane, I guess. I used to play when I was young. but yeah, long time ago. Why does this not look right? Oh. Oh, okay, no, that makes sense. Makes total sense. This point basically just us because no one else is talking. Oops, but yeah, no, may as well just be on the phone. Should I put all my savings in Bitcoin? Nah. Nope. Terrible idea. You've missed the big pump. To get that again on top, like the amount of money, no, you're not, Mr. Williamson. The amount of money that would need to go through Bitcoin to get another one of these, or even like half of this, would be astronomical. And it's just very, very, very unlikely that it's going to happen. And all these people that bought in, you know, millions, billions of dollars buying all the way up here, they're at a pretty good level to take profit. And I say this all the time, what happens when you take profit? The buyers, the people buying, they have to sell it, right? They have to turn into sellers. So what's going to happen? Bzz, 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 bzz. Bye-bye. So, yeah. I wouldn't recommend it. Wouldn't recommend it at all. Sienna, thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing it. Your thoughts on best place to put savings? Not financial advice, of course, yeah. High interest bank account, I mean, depends. I mean, that's super safe, right? Super, super safe. Or if you want to go a bit more riskier, look at stuff like the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, even things like fucking the FTSE, the DAX, things like that. I wouldn't go too risky with stocks and shit like that. When, you know, Amazon and all of that fucking bullshit, I wouldn't bother with that. I'd look at, if anything, something like the NASDAQ, S&P 500. Obviously, you had a big dip here, but we're coming back up, and we will continue to go up, most likely. Either that or just high interest bank account, to be honest. And as well, diversification is good, right? So creating like a diverse portfolio if you want to do some long-term stuff. Try to find a couple of, you know, reliable stocks and throw it in there, and then put the majority of it in, you know, like the S&P, like an index fund. It's probably your best bet. Or if you just want to be safe, just go fucking high interest bank account. I forgot that was a thing. I forgot that was a fucking thing. Oh my lord. Robbie Barker, thank you very much for following me and reminding me what I've done. Do I hold any crypto long term? Yeah, a little bit. Bitcoin XRP, but not much. And I don't really care what the fuck it does. I really don't care. Considering pulling it out and putting it in like ETH. No, actually. Nah, we still got room. Yeah, we still got room. Not again. Yeah, whoops. I'm not getting rid of it, but All right, we got our tier 3 flare rolling. Let's get it. Yeah, no, I didn't change it. I did not change it at all. Interesting. All right, let's have a look at the news. Trump agreed to extend European Union 50% tariff deadline till July 9th. Europe ready to push discussions quickly, decisively. What the fuck? Is that my broker? That's pretty cool. I'm telling you, they're the best. NVIDIA to introduce more. Oh yeah, that's what I want to look at. NVIDIA, see if there's any fucking progress with that. Oh, fucking market shot. We could potentially see a big gap on open with NVIDIA. We'll have to wait till tomorrow because the US market is shut today. They got a bank holiday. Oh, get this shit off my screen. And what do we have this week? CPI. So inflation figures for Australia. We got New Zealand cash rate, monetary policy, and the rate statement on Wednesday. Will that do anything to the New Zealand dollar? Most likely, expecting a drop in interest rates, but we'll see. FOMC on Thursday. We got another bank holiday for all Euro on fucking and Swiss on Thursday. What is that? Ascension Day. Righto. GDP. Quarterly GDP is coming out on Thursday with unemployment. Bank holidays though, that's kind of annoying. Probably see a bit of movement, but who knows, depending on what this figure does. CAD GDP. Who cares about China's fucking PMI? No one gives a shit. And then, obviously, fucking what's going on with Putin, and that's just an absolute fucking nightmare. And it's actually kind of funny, right? It's kind of funny what's happening with Trump. Look at this, tier 3 flare, right? Which I'm pretty sure it's meant to be. So this gets you more views and shit, right? I'm trying to, okay, so 3,000 exposures a tier 3 is meant to give you. 18 in 5 minutes. I don't know if my math is mathing, but that doesn't seem like correct math to me. You trade full time? Yeah. Fuck, it is so dead today. It is so dead. How many fucking people are live? Likes, what about them? 9K. Sienna, 3.8K. Thank you very much for that. I did go live a little bit earlier than I usually do. I think it was like 10 minutes earlier. But still, where the fuck is everyone? You are the one liking. Thank you very much. I do appreciate that. I don't know, bro. I actually have no idea where all the regulars are. There's no one in here. It's strange, but it's okay. Yeah, fuck. Rip. Where are the other mods? Nobody's here, eh? And I've got a tier 3 flare on, and we got 5 viewers. This is the most depressing thing I've ever seen in my life. Megsy's in, is she? I see you still trading. Mentorship, what makes you a credible mentor? Is anybody a credible mentor? I've been trading for almost 5 years. I was unprofitable for 1.5 to 2 of those years. I do this full time. I don't have a job. And I'm probably the most honest person in this fucking industry. I wouldn't say I'm like the top tier best teacher on the fucking planet, but I just won't lie and tell everybody how it is. And what I do works, and it's extremely unconventional to pretty much everyone. You release your broker statements? Nope. I had a run-in with someone. I explain this a lot. I feel like you're probably in here just to I don't know, shoot the shit or whatever. Maybe. And probably aren't actually interested, but I had a run-in with some shit and had to talk to my solicitors and everything and fucking blah, blah, blah. And I don't show any real money. Everything I do is fake money. But you can, I mean, do you want to watch me live trade? Like I'm live every fucking day, and I can show you my members making money from the way that I trade and all of that shit. I just don't really promote it because I don't really care. I'm not in here trying to hard sell shit, just whatever. Why do people do one like and then stop? I don't know. People can do whatever the fuck they want. You trade coins or stocks? Neither. I do Forex and indices. Hey bro, do you think it's more profitable trading Forex? Jesus fucking Christ. You said everything you do here in fake money. Yeah. Yep, that's a disclaimer I have to make, is everything is fake, nothing's real. It's not financial advice, it's all entertainment purposes. You know, all that shit. And that is so I don't get sued to the fucking ground, because it's a very grey area, this stuff. And in Australia, there are laws and stuff to obviously protect people, which I respect. Just is what it is. And someone fucking literally, when I first started, had a little sook about everything, and fucking it was just, so yeah. I don't hard sell anything ever. I don't care about, like, I don't mainland Australia. I don't, like, if people want to join, if people want to fucking come in and learn some shit, go for it. I mean, just be entertained. Trade real stocks on IBKR. Don't waste your time. Learn real finance, bro. Learn from Martin. Okay. Thanks. I've been doing this for a very long time. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. I'm all right with what I do. What were those levels highlighted out? There. Where the fuck did they go, actually? For starters. What the fuck has happened? There's a problem with my MT4. VPS it is. I don't know what the fuck was going on there. Where the fuck is all my... There we go. I was on this other thing. Okay, there we go. That should be better now. Yeah, there we go. They're fair value gaps, or wide range bars, 1, 2, 3 gaps. Whatever you want to call them. How are we, Speedy? Yes, Sienna. Another one, thank God. Fucking hell. I'm good, how are you? I mostly trade futures, rarely. I'll trade binaries on Kalashi or Nardex, but I've been trading since 2017. Nice. Good job. Yeah, I don't touch futures. Never have. Probably never will. Most profitable day and the most you've ever lost in a day. I feel like you asked me this the other day. The most profitable day was when I took profit on US dollar yen. Fucking hell. I gotta stop reading comments. US dollar yen, and the most I ever lost in a day was just a fuck up where I left pending orders on and the market crashed. I'll be back. All good. Are you trolling with the fair value gap thing? Well, no. Why? Please tell me why. I would love to hear your explanation as to why you think I'm trolling with that. Futures, I'm taxed less, not an immediate loss with the spread. True, yeah. No PDT rule, etc. Yeah, no spread's good. I guess, because I trade more... I'm not scalping. It doesn't really matter. And for futures, I can't show your trading statistics for percentage confirmation. Dude, go on my... Actually, if you want to see my old profits, you can go on my Discord and see my old profits before I got in trouble. They're still on there. You can go look, go see it's a live account and all that shit. I don't care. Go look at that. And I think there should be all the percentages, everything. I just cannot be fucked extracting everything to fucking quant analyzer right now from multiple different accounts to show you fucking percentage confirmations. Sorry, I just could not be fucked doing that. Are you trading the London session? No, I trade all the time. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I don't trade super short term, so spread doesn't really bother me. I'm not scalping. If you win big. If you lose small. Nope. I win small. And if I take a loss, it is usually insignificant. Or it's taken out of my profits. I use my profits to mitigate losses from taking consistent small wins. What up, Sui? Sui? I have 5 accounts. I can show my longest trading account at 73% all live. Okay. Nice. That's congratulations. The fact you're saying go to my Discord like everyone else doesn't show trust. I literally don't give a shit. The people that are in here know that I'm not full of shit, so I literally don't care. And you obviously like didn't listen to a fucking thing that I said either. Oh dude, the fakes are everywhere. That's why I started this shit. But this is, you've obviously been doing this for a while. This is more for people getting into it and getting them away from the fakes. You know what you can do, Michael? Here. I'll show you something, right? So, let's have a look at you again. Let's have a look at you. Okay, interesting. So there's this thing that you can do, you know, if you don't like it, right? You can, I'll show you. Because I don't know if you know how this works, right? So let's just say I'm watching this cat video and I don't like it, right? And I'm in here typing away this fucking cat. Fuck, I don't like this cat. You know what you could just do, right? Is do this. Oh. Oh, it's gone. I don't care about it anymore. Like, whatever. If you want to test my knowledge, sure, I don't care. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going though. Fucking Jesus. Oh, I thought this live was going to be good. I didn't think I was going to be debating with some random about legitimacy. Fucking hell. What? How can I? Oh, bro, I really just want to. It's very frustrating for me. You just don't want to lose potential money because you're not being very transparent on win rate percentage. What are you talking about? I don't want to lose potential money. What are you talking about? I have 12 people in here. I never hard sell a single fucking thing. I don't want a lot of people in my mentorship. Like, fuck. Jesus Christ. How do you start day trading? Go to my Discord, Michael, and go watch the beginner's video that's an hour long of how to get into trading. Can I mute him? What the fuck? Hello?
Hello.
What's going on? Oh, it's good. Nice. You drinking? I'm live streaming right now, so I'll call you back. Yeah. I don't know. In a bit. Righto. Bye. Okay. If it were to retrace back into the levels you marked out, would you take a trade? No. No. I used an EA to trade. Fuck, is this guy still in here? Am I gonna have to, oh my God. Hold up, I'll explain in a second. Would it not be good for business if you had more clients than you didn't? Dude, I trade. I don't really care about that. Like, I actually don't really care about, and I would rather less because the whole model of the mentorship is to be able to do one-on-ones and speak to people, face-to-face on video calls and all of that shit without having to charge them, extra premiums and all of that shit to spend time with them. Because I think that the majority of the time, most of these groups and stuff, Dude, this guy, man. What the fuck? I'm a funded top step trader. No thanks. What do you mean? Wait, what? Are you, like, drunk? Anyway, so I take trades based on an extension of the market, right? Holy shit, this guy. No, hold up. No, I want to keep going. I want to keep going, but I'm explaining how I trade, right? So I get an extension on the market. So as we can see here, there's been an extension. I use an EA. You said I could leave, but I'd rather save people money from someone cheating on them. Bro, this guy is actually drunk. This guy's actually drunk. This is fun. This is fun. That's all right. Leave him in here because I like this. This is fun. So we got an extension on the market. We put in for a sell, right? We have a... Jesus Christ, I gotta stop reading this. I'm not gonna say bad words, but yeah. Top step funded trade. Wait for a retracement back, right? I probably would have gotten out here. I don't know where my TP was, but I can't remember because I'm in multiple different positions. But we have specific levels that we target, right, for specific reasons. Chart is super small. Hold on. No, I can't do that. Hold up. We go to the hourly. Okay, there we go. Oh, dear Lord. Thank you for following me, Rain. All right, so extension, wait for a retracement, which always happens because when large financial institutions buy and buy and buy, eventually they have to turn into sellers. So you get moves like this. Why I didn't take profit here, I don't actually remember. I'm in so many positions right now, I actually have no idea. If it continues to go up, which it obviously has, when I probably should have taken profit there, because we're in sells, that's fine. I don't care. I don't use stop losses, right? And I scale in at 0.1 to 0.25% of my account size. So we add another 1.3x multiplier of our initial lot size, which was 0.12 lots. We put in another sell, which is 0.17 lots, expecting a retracement back, because once the institutions buy the fuck out of something, it has to retrace. They have to sell and take profit, right? It's where we put our TP. We don't know how far it's going to go down, right? By scaling into these positions, if we are wrong, that's fine. You don't lose stop losses. That's another huge red flag. Okay, Jesus Christ. Oh, this guy's literally... I feel like you're either drunk or have no idea what you're talking about. So that's a huge red flag, but I've been doing this exact strategy for 3 years. Yeah, okay. Sure, buddy. We scale in. It pulls our break even closer to our second entry. We expect a retracement down. It'll come down. Whether that is, I'll probably be targeting yesterday's low. Obviously, we got last week's high here. We might bounce back up, but we always look for stuff like support and resistance or fair value gaps. I know them as wide range bars. They've been around since the 1990s. ICT just renamed this shit because they act for magnets, as magnets for price, right? And you can see this time and time and time again. I've done months and months and months and months of back testing, developed my EA, back tested for fucking, couldn't even tell you fucking how long. But this guy, nah, red flag, you don't know what you're talking about, whatever. I literally don't care. But nah, you guys, get funded accounts. Get funded accounts. Holy shit. What up, Mundo? Chart is super small, yeah, sorry about that. But my EA does the majority of this, right? It gets me in and out of positions. I will just sometimes adjust my TP based on, you know, specific magnets for price, where it might reverse at. Always have a stop loss. Yeah, no worries, man. Sure. So are you able to use prop firms with your system? Nah, they don't allow you because it makes money. Lost money? Damn. What happened? Jesse, great question. Are you guys like talking to each other? Number one, demo for 3 to 6 months so you know your trade percentage is profitable on a win-loss ratio. I love this guy. Keep going. You know how long I was demo for? 2 years. 2 years. Don't move to a prop firm. Don't listen to this guy. Do not listen to this guy. You want to know how prop firms make money, right? Don't listen to this guy. You want to know how prop firms make money? This is why people like me, because I'm transparent and I know ins and outs of shit, right? Why? Because prop firms allow you to trade at a high level without large initial investments. This guy's... Okay, listen. Prop firms only make money from challenges. Right? It's all demo, right? It's all demo. Prop firms only make money from you taking challenges and failing them. They remove almost all of the ways that you can be profitable. They do not allow almost any strategy that allows you to be profitable. Because why the fuck would they do that? Because then everybody would just make a shitload of money and fucking, they'd run them out of business because they don't actually make money. Like, they don't fucking make money. Oh my God. You're not 100% accurate. Oh, please. Bro, you have no idea. Prop firms only make money. Okay, if it's all, and they have to declare this now after my funded, what was it called? MFF. What was it called, that prop firm? MFF? That's not my funded futures. No, it was something else. My Forex funds. It was my Forex funds. After all this bullshit started coming out, yeah, my Forex funds, yeah. After all this bullshit came out and then all prop firms fucking went to shit, and this was like, I don't even know, like a year or two ago. And right, so now they all have to declare that it's all virtual money, right? They're all demo accounts. Why the fuck are their spreads? Why the fuck are there commissions? Why the fuck do you only take an 80% profit split? It's all virtual money. It's all fake, right? So they're trying to rip everybody off. And why do you think that they make... So the reason why they're in the majority of prop firms, and oh yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, fucking this guy, Jesus Christ. The reason why they put time frames on this, right? They put time frames. So if you, the chances of you passing a 2-phase challenge is so minute. It's like under 1% of people can actually pass both phases because they make it so difficult, right? I remember the statistic I looked at, I was like 0.037% or some shit will make it to, like that will get funded anyway, right? So then what they do, right, is they put a time frame on it. You have to be trading for at least 2 weeks or whatever before you can request a payout, which is what the majority of people don't understand. What they're doing is statistically you fail because the rules are so strict after a couple of days of being, so the percentage of people that are actually going to get to a payout gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and that's why they implement so many fucking rules Don't fucking bother with prop firms unless you are an extremely experienced trader and understand that the majority of the time you're using a prop firm, it is a gamble. But this guy knows what he's talking about. I don't. This is why people. I'll explain my process with Top Step. How about this? Shh. How about shut up? My live, not yours. Oh my God. This is why people actually listen to me and I get lots of nice messages and blah, 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 blah. Because I'm transparent. The whole prop firm thing is to attract people that don't actually have much money. And it's the whole get rich quick scheme that traps people into stuff like prop firms and stuff like that. It's all bullshit. It's all this entire bubble of get rich quick. It's this entire fucking bubble of get rich quick, and it's been around forever, right? It used to be in the fucking back of the newspapers. If you get rich quick, and people would call and be like, fucking, and be on TV, like, you fucking do this, and you get rich quick and everything. It's been around forever. It's the same model with prop firms. It's just a get rich quick scheme that new traders who don't actually understand how all of this shit works get sucked into and just lose money. And it's just a fucking money pit for these gold mine. It's a gold mine for prop firm owners. Absolute gold mine. Because it's like it's the new thing. Anyway, fuck this guy. I don't know. I'm annoyed. Have you taken a trade since streaming? Nah. My trades take a long time and they're virtually random. Not random, but we need a significant extension in the market for something to happen, and there's not much going on at this very second. So I do have lots of I got heaps of trades on, but I don't usually, there's not usually trades that get taken on stream because it's all done via a bot, right? So we got a few extensions up here. I wish I got out of this one. I've changed my settings up because my settings were a lot more conservative and I was taking it a lot slower and I was staying in trades. As you can see, I've been in some trades for like a week, 2 weeks, shit like that, and I've just changed my settings on like Friday to be a little bit more aggressive. And, well, not aggressive, but normal to what I would do. Birdchop, thank you very much for the heart, me. Yeah. Fundeds, yeah. I got a funded with my funded futures yesterday. Good job. Congratulations. Thought they took a percentage of your profits. They do, which makes no sense. Apex, my Forex funds, yeah, you guys are right. Tom, please state when you last lost money using your strategy. It was Euro odd. Here, I took some losses here. It wasn't much. It was like 2% or some shit. 2 or 3%. But yeah, it was nothing. Fuck that guy. I don't know why. I just got so. I don't know. I shouldn't have done that. I should have just shut the fuck up or blocked him straight away. I was doing so well. I was just getting rid of annoying people. But I don't know. Combine and express are simulators, then live accounts of real. Oh, Jesus Christ, this guy. Hi, what problem? You're awesome. Thank you very much, Jesse. That was hard to watch. Fuck me. Yeah, sorry. Very refreshing. Thank you. Tom, does your bot need you to enter and it manages the trade? No, it enters for you. I'm sorry, did you say you use a bot? Yeah. People call them bots. They're expert advisors to me, but I've kind of just tried to If you know what an expert advisor is, then yeah. But I think more people that aren't really new to trading would just consider them to be a bot, I guess. Started copy trading from my small live account to prop firm account. Okay, fuck. I'm not talking about prop firms for the rest of the live. 5-5? Nah, fuck no. Nah, I just changed my TP settings to be closer, which in turn should give me larger lot sizes and quicker TPs, so I'll be in and out. I just changed the ADR to a third of an ADR instead of, I think I was doing like, or maybe it was a quarter, I can't remember, instead of percentage based. Thoughts on trading pool system? I don't know what it is. Can you check Bitcoin and when it's gonna go? I checked it earlier, I got fucking no idea. The business specialist, what I miss? Oh, just someone that was annoying me. And I kind of went on a bit of a fucking rant. There's a guy that trades kind of like you without the help of automation. He draws it raw. Really? What's his name? I'd like to see that. Because there's not many people that do. There's very much not people that do. What EA do you use? I use my own. I developed my own. Chop, thank you very much for sharing the live. I appreciate that. Guys, I reckon this is going to be a short stream. 7% this month. No. Oh, fuck. I actually can't check. Oh, I probably could check, but I got a new account. So I think I've only put the money in that like maybe a week and a half ago. And it's only, oh dear God. Ventures, thank you very much for following. I think it's only done like 2% the last week and a half or some shit. So I'll have to look. But if you do fixed slot sizes, will it cancel out the multiplier? No, it will just do 1.3x of that fixed lot size. Or whatever you'll see. I'm pretty sure it's 1 point. Oh, actually no, yours might be less. I think yours is less, eh? Oh fuck, we literally have 1 million messages. I'm not going all the way up. You can probably just tell me it. Was that the question? This one here? Do you have public record? Not public, no. Potter stocks trading. Interesting. I'll have a look at this guy later. I mean, it kind of sounds like what I do, which is surprising because there is not many people that fucking do this. So I'd actually love to watch what this guy does and see how it works out. Because that's the thing is, man, not every strategy has to follow what every single person on the internet says, you know? Like, anyway. I think that's amazing. You write your own script. It's a fucking absolute nightmare and I hate it. And I never want to do it again. It was fucking awful. And I did indicators and everything too. And it was fucked. It was so shit. The amount of bugs and fucking everything that you have to fix and forward test and back test and oh my fucking God, it sucks. But yeah, it's worth it. And I give it out for free to the guys at the mentorship. It took me fucking months and months and months and months to do this shit. And they get it for free. Check out no, I'm good. Do you use your own money or funded accounts? My own. No, that's 1.3. Oh, okay, cool. Can you tell me roughly the size of your account recommended for your EA? Well, I mean, Visionary AI Reels, which is Speedy, he had I don't know if you want to fucking say it's Speedy, but he had a smaller account. My recommendation would be something like fucking couple grand, like 3 or 4, but you can do it with smaller accounts. And Speedy's absolutely fucking killing it right now with a small account. It is fucking insane. Like, it is actually insane. Check out his Twitter. He's insane. Pot of stocks. He draws everything raw. X. Potter _ stocks. Is this him? This guy? You're the man, choose, mate. Roughly 5 to 7% per month in EA return. Yeah, it depends on the month. It's different. It's always different. I keep hyping this one up because it was actually pretty good, but I had a 21.22% month like 2 months ago. Yuck. Sometimes. Thank you very much for following. Who gets 21,000% returns? No one. So I don't know how much I believe this. Yeah, 21,800. I don't know if I believe this. I'd have to look into it. I'd have to look into that because I'm very speculative. You know, I've been around here for a very long time in the trading space, and that I don't believe for a second. And his account's only been around since the 22nd of May. Oh wait, no it's not. Where are all his other, oh there, it just wasn't loading. Oh, he's got 4,000 posts, yeah, shit. Yeah, I'd have to look into it. I just, yeah, I don't know. Just, yeah. Three to 7 average. Have you had a bad month with drawdown? Yeah, heaps. I live in drawdown. Like, I literally live in drawdown. It's the... let's explain it, all right? All right, so we go for... Where are we? Let me explain this. I just want to turn this down. It's fucking... My ear's bleeding. So I trade, at the moment, I'm trading like 20 odd pairs, right? Usually, the majority of the time 28, but at the moment, the majority of Swiss and yen are turned off. So we're in a lot of pairs, right? We get a lot of setups, we get in a lot of trades. So let's just say, for example, here we have one here, which, again, it's a high probability trade that we're going to come back down, and we did. And we could have taken profit. With my new settings, I probably would have taken profit there, but it didn't work out, right? And even this, fucking hell, how far away was my TP? That's why I changed it, because it's fucking, my TPs were like so far away, and it was just not worth it. Anyway, so let's just say, for example, this one was a sell, and we should have gone straight into profit and taken profit. But anyway, let's say, for example, not for example, let's just say that we continued to go up without going into profit, where I didn't take profit when I should have. And it continued to go up, right? We take another trade, we take another trade. Let's just say, you know, we got this on New Zealand dollar USD, but we've got all these other pairs that we're trading, right? They're all running at the same time. So we get all these high probability setups. We're taking all of these fucking trades and we're taking profit on all of these other trades that are high probability setups. Still, just because some get stuck in drawdown here and there, it doesn't matter. It really does not matter. What matters is that we're consistently taking profits and then dealing with the ones that are in drawdown later on. And even if it gets to that point where we're in too much drawdown, we can take some of the profits from our consistent wins that we're just continuously getting, and we only go for small amounts. We're not going for fucking home run trades. We're going for small, consistent gains, which is actually not that fucking hard. All right, we're in profit here. I could take profit here. I'm not going to. That's our break-even line, but I'm not going to. We'll probably wait. This will be close to... I'll probably look at, keep an eye out at last week's low and try and take out at last week's low if we get to it. If not, if we kind of just hang around here, I'll just take profit anyway. Anyway, this is Euro odd. When we're consistently banking on other things, if we get stuck in something, that's okay. We're still consistently banking a bunch of shit, right? We can take those profits to scale out. So say I've got 0.12 lot sizes and 0.17. What's to say we can't use some of the profits that we made to halve these positions, a couple of them. This is a bad example. This is usually if you're in like 6 or 7 positions in one pair, but you can start scaling out of those positions to mitigate your drawdown. It depends on how much you can personally handle. Personally, I can handle quite a bit of drawdown and not be worried, right? But some people can't. They want to stay, you know, under 10% or some shit like that. You can do it like that. You can fucking scale out of some of your positions and just wait for the inevitable pullback that's going to happen, because once banks and institutions buy something up like crazy, they have to sell it to take profit. That's how market structure works. That's why you get shit like this. And this is something that I'm talking about in the masterclass that I am creating, that I'll probably start filming this week for the mentorship. It goes through all of that shit, everything. They have to, if a bank buys fucking a fucking $1 billion worth of US dollars converted from like the pound, they gotta fucking sell it, or they gotta find sellers to take that on. Usually they do that in smaller amounts. You know, if they got billions and billions of dollars, they break it up into smaller parts and do it over a couple of trades, because they can't really just dump billions of dollars in straight away. They need the liquidity, and that's why you get liquidity hunts and all that shit and all this shit. That's why, you know, you get boom, 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 and then support and resistance, and they break it out, and then they try and take the move away. It's a very complicated process, but yeah. I explained that all in the new video that I'm doing. Forex, crypto, Forex. The thing is that his students get through it, but they really made $90. Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, I mean, 3,000 is fucking nuts. I'm really confused. Yeah, I'm not surprised. What are you trading right now? I am. What is drawdown? So if you're in a position, so let's just say I bought here, right? I bought right here, and we're in the negative. Our drawdown is how much we are negative. Have you got other screens looking at news and current affairs around the world to guide your trades? Yep, this is on all the time. This is my main monitor, though. I've got another monitor there, but this is on all the time. So, yes. Which is very crucial. A lot of people don't pay attention to this shit, but it's very crucial. And if you don't, yeah, it depends. I mean, you could be like a really short-term scalper, but fuck me, good luck with that. So is it better using your money than being funded? 1,000,000%. 1,000,000%. So you want to reduce your drawdown as much as possible. Not necessarily. I see drawdown as a good thing, you know? I see it as a good thing. Because if you're in drawdown, that means you're probably going to make money shortly. But you don't want too much. You don't want too much. Is it really useful? All right, yep. Bro, I checked those like a dozen times a day. Good, good. Why? Why what? Nina, thank you very much for following me. I didn't get the sound. Is the sound gone? Where did the follow sound go? The fuck? Someone follow me. Is it gone? Someone follow me. Michelle, thank you very much for the heart. Oh, okay, it's there. Oh, stop. Okay, that's enough. Dear Lord. Bro, what's your strategy? It's like mean reversion, martingale, and dollar cost averaging. Shit, I didn't say that. Can I call you? Probably not. You can message me. I'm almost at 10k likes. Fucking hell, you are almost. 9k for Sienna, 4.8 for Meegsy, as usual, up there. Good job, guys. 3.5 for Charles. Crazy. You heard it? Yeah, okay, it is back. XR Mania, thank you for following me. Why is it better using your own capital? Because you don't have those fucked up rules. I literally went on a massive tangent about it before, yelling and fucking carrying on and all that shit. Like, go to my YouTube and watch the replay. You'll see. Q Bezent, thank you very much, and Lucas, thank you very much for making my ears bleed. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, sorry. I just didn't know. I didn't hear it before, so I thought it was gone. 24k likes. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Where'd everyone go? It was a dumb investment though, I've learned already. What was a dumb investment? Do I look fucked? Yeah. Do I just sit here until like people start talking? What was the question, Jasper? I answered what you asked. Fuck's their name? I can't remember. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't fucking remember their name. Don't fucking... Eating dinner, had to start. Can you answer me, please? I want to learn. I typed it. It isn't. Oh, it's probably TikTok fucking. Oh, sorry. I don't know why TikTok's doing that. I invested 15k into this one stock as my first investment last week, and it went down straight away. Well, I mean, stocks, if you're long-term investing, stocks go up and down. You might have just jumped in at the wrong time. You know, could have done the complete opposite and gone fucking 2k up. You would have been like, holy shit, I'm a millionaire. I can retire my family. I can retire myself. I'm moving to Dubai. It's not sending my question, but it's sending everything else. Try put some different words in there, or like spaces in between the words that might be potentially fucking it up. What should you start trading first? That's personal preference. I have traded Forex for a very long time and I like it, so not going anywhere else. Actually, that's a lie. I have traded indices as well for a couple of years, but right now I don't want to trade them. It's very time consuming. So it is completely up to you. But Forex probably has the most information out there. No, it was CoreWeave, a new stock that I jumped in when it was at the peak. The fuck? Fuck. That was weird. Am I fucking... Was that Discord? Did you guys hear that? Oh my fucking god. I almost kicked him the other day, not gonna lie. But I'm nice. Meegsy, thank you very much for the heart, me. Did that look really weird on my face? Won't be back up. Oh shit, that's fucked. Why does it mean you're going to make cash shortly if you're in drawdown? Because we're in positions. If we're in positions, means we're most likely going to make some money. What goes up has to come down eventually. What pair do you trade? I trade pretty much all of them. What brokerage do you use again? Blackpool Markets. Is Forex going to be good in a couple years? Of course it will be. Or would you start trading Bitcoin? Nah. No. Yeah, it was Yukon. I heard a noise. What pair you trade? Yeah. Anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, US dollar, pound, euro, Swiss yen. You look really strange. Why? No, I don't. Look normal to me. My first ever investment was Bitcoin at 25,000 and sold when it was 100. Holy shit. God damn. What concepts do you use? ICT, supply and demand. I don't use ICT. ICT is a fucking fraud. But he renamed a concept that's been around for 35 years, which was fair value gaps. They were originally, dear Lord. Thank you very much. His concepts aren't. Yeah, they're shit. I've never met ever, and I know many profitable traders. I don't know a single one that uses ICT concepts at all. Fair value gaps work, and I've been using them since before I even knew they were called fair value gaps and before I even knew who ICT was. And they weren't called fair value gaps, they were called other shit. 1, 2, 3 bars, propulsion gaps, wide range bars. They weren't called fucking fair value gaps. He just fucking renamed all this shit and pushed it out there. And no, I don't. I use a mean reversion strategy that's executed via an expert advisor that I developed. 10k likes. Thank you very much, Sienna. You did well. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate a fair king that graces my screen with blinding light for reflecting off his fair skin. Thank you. Do I actually look fucking weird? Nah, I think I look cool. Day trading looks like Stephen, thank you very much for following me. What pair is on the chart? AU. Oh, sorry. EA. Euro. Odd. I've been saying EA to you, AU to you like 3,000 times. I didn't get the fuck off live stream. I'm actually disabled. Did I say thank you for the heart puff, Meeksy? I don't think I did. Thank you very much for that. Bro, Mondays. How's everyone's weekend? Scoey, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. I want to know what everybody did on the weekend. I want to know. Worked? Ugh. Keep it coming. I want to fucking know. I don't care if you're new here, if you don't know who the fuck I am. I want to know what you did on the weekend. Tell me! Bro, you have to do that action every time you get a follow. I'll probably get a shitload of followers, eh? Next person to follow me, do it. Everyone. And I'll say their name too. What do you reckon about VPN, my bread? I don't use a VPN. Do you mean VPS? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, VPN the coin? Oh, I don't. Not my thing. Forex. Currencies. Oh, well. Yeah, I want to get the fuck off. We've been here for a while. Oh, well. If you're not following, follow now. And you get the, oh, well. It's a pretty good incentive, if you ask me. I had to go to basketball courts with some friends, though. Nice, nice. Alright, no one's following, nothing's happening. I think we're gonna get off. Did netball. Oh, yeah. Oh, well. Trend Boy FX. Oh, well. What do you think about that one, eh? I just went from like 22 fucking viewers to 13 as soon as that happened. Maybe that's not the wave, eh? Maybe that's just not it. What do you guys reckon? That's actually funny. Scaring everyone that's fucking coming in here. Help. I scrolled on. Do you follow me? Cello? If you don't, do it. 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 What are we trading? Forex. Mr. Trendboy? Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Don't be a pussy. One more? Oh well. Thank you for following me. Oh well. Cello. Nah, that's right. I don't even blame ya. That's pretty funny, but. Meow. Meow. I think we go. Sienna? As if you unfollowed me, just follow me again. It's not very nice. After telling me not to do it. Oh, well, Nate, oh, well. It works. It gets people to follow you, I guess. It just comes with the price of dignity, like all my dignity. You are not real trader. Bro, you were the one. If you're gonna come in here and say some shit like that, right? Get exposed. Look at him messaging me. Like, brother. Like, do you want to expose yourself? Fucking sending me like a million messages? And then coming in here and being like, you're not a real trader, man. Like, fuck out of here then. Rev up funnels. Jesus. Australian traders are the funniest. Thank you. Why are you not following? We having another Michael situation? No, the fuck we're not. Jesus Christ. Imagine if I didn't mute him. I would have ended up like... Hold up. Yeah. But no, bro, you can't come in here. You can't fucking donate. He's like donating shit, right? Come in here, message me a million times, right? And then fucking, literally, this fucking moron, right? Messages me and then comes in here and says, you're not a real trader. Oh, fucking, why don't you analyze shit? Blah, 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 blah. Fucking earlier, you don't analyze blah, blah, blah. I was like, okay, get the fuck off then. Goodbye. He leaves for fucking an hour and a half, comes back. You're not a fucking real trader. Like, bro, why are you sending me gifts and fucking messaging me and then talking shit? Makes no fucking sense at all. So bizarre. People just have really strange things going on in their brains. Like, I don't understand most humans. I'm the most normal human you'll ever meet. You know what I mean? It's weird. What's wrong with people? 11K, good job, Sienna. Thank you for pinning that too. Do you trade ASX? Nah. Probably get banned again. Yeah, I've been on a good run, eh? It's been like a week. I think it's been an entire week. Because algorithm brought me here when Daniel went offline. Oh, true. How's he doing? Guys, follow Tommy is the best. Thank you very much. People are cooked. Yeah, I know. What the fuck's wrong with... Chico? That balcony looks pretty nice after this one. After this fucking live stream. You're cooked. I dig it. Thank you very much. B? Followed? I was eating pineapple. No, these people are in for it. Yeah, we got some viewers now. I can't get off live now. Like, the fuck? Matty B, g'day Tom, what have I walked into? Nothing, man. What are you talking about? It's a normal stream like usual. Just normal, just hanging out. Nothing crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. We've had a really normal, started off like super chill, fucking nothing really happened. For like an hour, I barely even said anything. Didn't lose my cool one bit. Like, it was good. Migsy sent a TikTok. Thank you very much. Rose as well. Migsy, thank you very... And another TikTok. Trick-a-rick. See what I mean? Yes. Yeah, we can look at that. Just normal, understated. Yeah, completely normal. What do you mean? Definitely. I smell sarcasm. Yeah. Where's Michael? Should I go? You know what I should do? I should get I should like multi-guest Michael, like co-host him or some shit, you know? No, I'd get banned. Will it be a late evening, Fair King? It always is. It would be so funny. Nah, fuck that. What are you trading? I trade Forex. Bit different to good old Danny. But yeah. I don't want to be out here poaching his people though, so fucking go back to him. I'm not about that. Have you had dinner yet? No, I haven't. I still gotta put a slow cook on for fucking 6 hours. So it's gonna be late dinner again. Who's Daniel? Daniel Holmes. He lives around the corner from me. He sometimes comes in here. Oh, Heart Me from Matty B. Thank you very much. And I don't know if you sent any more, Meeksy. Fletcher! If anyone doesn't know, Fletcher, #1 gifter to this day. Fletcher, you'd be glad to hear that still no one has overtaken you. No one. You're fucking crazy. But thank you very much for the 5 roses. I appreciate that. Thank you for liking the live too. Should set up the slow cooker if you haven't already then. Don't want you to go hungry, Fair King. Yeah, that's alright. I don't usually eat till after midnight anyway. Fair King. Yeah, he always comes in here and says this every day. Fair King. Fair King, your glistening white skin. It's like, thanks. I'm gonna go burn myself to bits in the fucking sun. 12k. Fucking hell. You can stop. Thank you though. No problem. Good to see you. It's good to see you too. I hope you're doing well. And I hope life is treating you fantastically. Do you provide signals? Nope. But welcome all the way from Pakistan. Hopefully you avoided lots of bombs recently. Is that bad to say? I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't do signals. Signals are bullshit. No, I'm good. If I stop, I'll have to start studying. Yeah, fair enough. Go fucking study. Actually, yeah, what are you doing? Go study. Lol. Yeah, if you're ever in here, I get suspended a lot. So I bet I'm barely ever live because I just get suspended fucking constantly. God, there is nothing happening right now. Absolutely, Fair King. I definitely appreciate how you grace my screen every evening. Bro, this has to be ChatGPT. Dude, that is fucking sick. You should post more of these. Holy shit, that was cool. I get the fuck off this live. Living life on the edge, bruv. Fucking oath, bruv. OMG, it's not ChatGPT. Can't believe you would question the veracity of my existence. I like that word, veracity. I like learning new words. Conformity or facts accuracy. Similar, truthfulness, truth, accuracy, correctness. I like that, veracity. I'm gonna try to use that one. It's 4 a.m. on Monday, the weekend after blowing my funded, and I got a cart with no battery. A cart? Blowing funded's fine, man. It fucking happens. And now that you know that it's going to happen a lot if you get funded accounts, and it's okay. Don't stress. I don't know what you mean by a cart with no battery. Is that like a cartridge? Is that like some American shit? Are you American? US? I love just looking at everyone's profile. Are you from the US? If so, where? Please tell me LA. Never mind, yeah. Singaporean noodles made with prawns, eggs, curry paste. Sounds pretty good. Means truthfulness. Alright, you can get around it. From Illinois. Can you guys still hear me? My shit's kind of tweaking a little bit. My little audio mixer is just flashed real weird. It's tweaking mad, eh? Okay, Illinois looks pretty cool. Looks cold. It's tweaking. Rashmika? Oh, I gotta go, guys. I gotta get off. My shit's tweaking out. I think I gotta fix that. I don't know what's going on. AU shorts. On from there, yeah. And I'm sure you're going short time frame, so yeah. But Speedy caught a lot of that. Made a lot of money from that one. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good short. Is it? Maybe. It's cold as fuck here, but now it's summer, true. Ref do something, what was that? Night trader. Yeah, 13k, nice. If you're consistently blowing funded accounts, are you really a disciplined trader? Probably not. Bruh, what the fuck is this? Ooh, shit. I don't know. What are you talking about? Latest chat, see you later, B. You do this full time? Yep. B, right? Yeah, I'm boosting, guys. If you're not following, follow now. Get in the Discord that's linked in my bio. And come talk some shit. Come have some fun. Come see me live tomorrow. Yes, I'm going live tomorrow. 5:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, like usual. So yeah, come say g'day. If you're not following, follow now. Follow. Follow me so you can come back and see this beautiful, chiseled, strong, handsome ginger. Use it as you. Follow. And I'll be back. Luke Trades Forex. Yep. Follow. So you can come back tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day and learn some shit. I'm off. Actually, the majority of the people probably follow me already that's in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go. See you guys later. Have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow. Good luck on your exam and shit. Happy trading. And yeah, I love you all.